Greetings and welcome to another Greenbush Tech Tip with your friendly neighborhood Greenbush Tech Integrator, me, Ronnie Williams. Today my tech tip is going to be all about Google Slides. I've got 3 different tech tips that I want to throw your way. So the first tech tip that I want to show you is, say you're giving a presentation, so I'm going to launch this presentation, and you want your audience to maybe not see what you've got projected on the screen here. And you actually have 2 options on the keyboard in order to do that. You can hit either the W key, and that makes the screen white. Hit the W key and it brings it back. Hit the B key, and that makes it black. Hit it again and it brings it back. So it makes it really easy to kind of hide your slide from your audience if you need to do that real quick. The next tip that I'm going to show you is actually an external website. It is called Slides Carnival. So I'm going to go over to that website. And Slides Carnival enables you to download pre-made templates for Google Docs and also for PowerPoint. So they have some different sections here that you can sort out. You can look by a specific color if you're trying to get a specific color theme, or you have these kind of more defined themes for what you can pick. So you can pick business, and you can see that the designs are a little bit more streamlined. There's not as much information on them. They look nice, but they also look clean. Or you can go into the playful area, which is maybe where your students might be interested in looking, and you can find things that look maybe like that. So once you find a presentation that you think looks cool, if you click into it, it will then give you the option to preview it. You can look at all of the different slides, or you can scroll on down and you can download and use as a PowerPoint template. Or you can use as a Google Slides theme. And I'm going to click on Use as a Google Slides theme to show you just why I like this tool so much. So it's not just that you get the one slide at the beginning that looks great, and the one slide at the beginning, it looks great. But as you go through here, you can see that they've got, usually it's around 30 different, so for this one, it's 29 different slide designs. And if I go to slide 10, it looks a lot different than the other ones. If I go to slide 15, it looks a lot different than the other ones. So then if I find one that I want, I just click Use Template, pretending that this is the template that I want to use, and it automatically converts it into a copy that loads into your Google Drive. And so now you've got this clean, editable, beautifully designed copy of this presentation that you can use. And what I like to do is I like to slide the slider over here on the left side of the screen, kind of find a design for a slide that I want to use, and use that, and then I just drag it up to the next spot where I want it in the presentation. And then whenever I get done, I can just delete any of these other slides that I didn't wind up using. But as you can see, I can open that one that I really liked. This image, if I want to resize it, everything is still very editable. I can change things around, and then all I have to do is go in here and edit this text. Super easy. Slidescarnival.com. All right, last but not least, I'm going to talk about GIFs. And a GIF is exemplified on this slide, so it makes it so a part of your slide is animated. And you can add GIFs very easy to Google Slides by adding an add-on. So if you have your presentation open, go to Add-ons, and then go to Get Add-ons, and then you're going to want to search for the word GIF, G-I-F. And the one that you want is called Animated GIFs. So if you click on that, mine is already installed. So you would be clicking the blue Install button here, and once you do that, you're going to have the option to add a GIF by going to the add-on menu and going to Animated GIFs and Insert GIF. So here we've already got a GIF on this page, but we can search for something like cool, and we can, she looks like she's having a good time. She likes her GIFs. We clicked on it, we inserted it, and just like that, we've got a beautiful GIF in our Google Slides presentation. So that wraps up our tech tip for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. Remember, when you think technology training and support, you think Ronnie at Greenbush. Thank you very much.